The Power 3. Friends, join me as we welcome the incoming Noble Queen of the Universe Philippines, Mindanao, Miss Gail Diazis.
Yes!
Ay, syempre. Ay, tuloy ako.
Buenos dias, our friends from the press and media. My name is Gail Diazis, representing Mindanao. I'm from Zamboanga City, and I'm so glad to meet you all. And of course, our noble queens of the universe 2025. Muchas gracias.
Universe Philippines, Mindanao, Miss Gail Diazis.
Center.
Good morning once again. My name is Gail Diazis. I represent Mindanao. And actually, I have several advocacies, but I champion bloodletting. Because 30 years ago, when I was a student, may nangangailangan ng blood. So sabi ng teacher, bibigyan ko kayo ng points sa mag-donate kayo. So that was my push nung time na yun. But as I grew older, may mga nangangailangan. And when they know na nag-donate ako ng blood, lagi akong nilalapitan. So I always say yes. Kasi alam ko, whenever I donate blood, tatlong tao agad ang matutulungan ko. So, since I migrated here, dito sa Manila, because I'm from Zamboanga City, so I joined Lutong Alay Lutong Buhay, and nakita ko yung advocacy. 30 years na yung organization, nakita ko ang dami nilang tao na tutulungan without any payment for the blood. It's free, clean blood, dahil partners po natin lahat ng tertiary hospitals. So until now, I still donate, and even platelets, nag-donate po ako kapag kailangan. Lahat ibigay ko na po, basta lang makakatulong sa kapwa. So that's one of my advocacies. And my other advocacy is women empowerment. Kasi ako, I'm taking care of my husband who had an accident 2019. So he's a person with disability. Ang hirap, lalo na pag wala kang medical background. So what I do is, I empower women, especially yung nakikita ko walang masyadong confidence. And through my shows, sa Radio Katipunan 87.9 FM, katulad nyo rin ako, nasa media rin. So I make sure to invite parents para naman na-encourage and ma-inspire mga kapwa ko. And lastly, my last advocacy is self-defense. Kasi I have 3 kids, and my daughter is here, she's my youngest. So I make sure that she is trained well with PTA for Filipino martial arts for self-defense. Para syempre, labanan natin yung mga harassment and even bullying, which is really, really common. So yun po, and I hope na you will support all our advocacies, ng mga noble queens of the universe. Thank you. Thank you for the questions. Questions lang pala yun, my dear friends from the press and media. The reason why I joined Noble Queen of the Universe, not just Queen Patricia is a very good friend of mine, way back, dahil pareho rin kami DJ. Nakita ko kasi yung puso ng organization. There's respect and sisterhood. And that actually made me decide to join. So when Queen Patricia nominated me, I immediately said yes. Kasi nakita ko kung gaano ka-solid yung Noble Queen of the Universe. Sabi ko, at least ngayon kung mag-charity ako, mag-bloodletting ako, may mga kasama na ako mga queens, di ba? Ang magaganda. And of course, who will support me as well. Kaya yun yung nakita ko. So, this is the only national and international beauty pageant, should I say, that I joined dahil naniniwala ako sa lahat ng mga nandito, sa lahat ng mga queens nandito ay may mga puso at malinis ang kanilang hangarin is really to help others. And also, as a deputy of MTRCB, sabi ko, mas lalo ko pa ngayon, mas strengthen yung bond. Dahil syempre, mahirap din naman labanin ang responsableng panonood, di ba? Kung wala kang mga kasama at mga taong maniniwala sa'yo, lalo na yung mga kapwa queens, mahirap siyang gampanan. Kaya I really thank Sis Patricia and of course, si Shirley, si Sofia, lalo na, yan ang aking #1 sponsor ng letter niya. Maraming salamat for transforming me. I'd also like to thank this opportunity, to thank Dave Ocampo for my beautiful gown. And of course, si Sofia, thank you so much for always being there for me. So yun po, kaya sa lahat ng mga women, sa lahat na akala nyo hindi na kayo maging beauty queen, sali na po kayo. Noble Queen of the Universe is the organization for you. Thank you po. Yes, what's your question for me?
So you have mentioned a while ago that you are also part of us as a media.
Yes.
So how do you handle misinformation about social media?
That's a very good question. Kasi back in the 90s, when I was a radio DJ, wala pa yung social media, di ba? So pakialam natin sa mga bashers and criticisms. But because of technology and social media, I'm very active as well. There are times that I get affected pag mga below the belt na. Pero hindi ko pinapatulan doon mismo. Hinahayaan ko sila. Kasi good or bad na mag-criticism is still a publicity, di ba? Kailangan natin yun, kaya tayo na sa social media. So I let them. What I do minsan, pag sobra na, delete lang, di ba? Pag ano sabihin mo, cancels lang, di ba? When I joined Reyna ng Tahanan, ang daming bashers. Kasi, syempre, nilabas ko yung baho nila. So sabi ko, I always want to tell the truth. Kasi being a media personality, hindi lang puro fame. Kailangan may integrity and honesty. Kaya tayo binigyan ni Lord ng ganitong talento, di ba? We have to make sure to deliver the news right. So yung mga criticisms, okay lang yan. Kasi lilipas din naman yan, di ba? Ang importante sa akin yung advocacy ko, that I'll be able to reach as many people as I can and to be able to give the highest form of giving, which is the clean and free blood. So, yeah.
Thank you so much po.
Mas ganda ng tanong mo. The reason why I accepted Noble Queen, kasi being a noble mom is something that you did extraordinarily. Alam mo yung hindi mo nagawa in your past life, pero dahil sa nabigyan ka ng pagkakataon ni Lord, na-discover mo yung purpose sa buhay. Kaya yun yung pinaniwalaan ko, being noble. I'm a mom of 3 and meron na rin akong apo. Ayun, mag-birthday na siya. I'm so proud kasi sabi ko, ito pala yung purpose ko sa buhay. Not just being a broadcaster, not just being a DJ or a beauty queen. Ang purpose ko pala sa buhay is to be able to share a part of me, which is the blood that I donate to everyone in need. And aside from that, ang dami ko rin mga natulungan mga kapwa. Say for example, yung mga kababaihan. May mga nakakausap ako, depressed pala sila, akala mo pangiti-ngiti lang. But because of my presence, because I invited them to my radio show, na-inspire sila, nagbago yung buhay nila. And also yung self-defense. Yung PTK katipunan kasi before, maliit lang sila at halos wala na silang energy to continue their advocacy. It's a free training actually for Filipino martial arts. So when I joined them, my friends Jay Bataclan and Mick Alcaraz, mas lalo silang na-inspire. Kasi sabi nila, hindi namin nakalain na kayo mag-ina, ang puputihin nyo, baka magkapasa-pasa kayo at gusto nyo matuto. So sabi ko sa kanila, the reason why I want to help your advocacy, your group, is to be able to help the kids as well and parents. Kasi marami na talagang bully, especially mga students going to public schools, di ba? So through this martial arts training, the PTK, PT Tercia Kali, mas marami tayong may tutulong sa mga kababaihan lalo. Same question ko ba? Ako naman, I want to be remembered as someone who is a DJ with a big heart, with soul. And also, I want to be remembered as someone who is a powerful mom, but with dedication and pure love. Not just for myself, for my family, but of course, for the community and the whole universe. So yun.